Okay, today we're looking at this 1300R, and we just put a rebuilt engine in it, and it's not firing on the front cylinder. And we checked this spark on it, it's got sparks, so which the front cylinder is this one. So we have it still all hooked up. You have to, I mean, it's a mess pulling that thing out of there. You gotta take the pipe out and everything. And so, but we have the, you have to have this plugged in going to the lower part of the exhaust, or else you won't get any spark and you won't have any no fuel injection working anyway. So we're going to go ahead and test. We're all set up now. We're going to go ahead and test to see if the injector is spraying or not when I hit the key. So here we go. You can see that one ain't giving us nothing. So we're gonna test it for some power. I think if I just disconnect this wire and cut that zip tie, I can hook it up to this one and we can see if we have juice or not. That way I'll know if it's the injector or if it's maybe something electronically. Kind of a bear to get off of there. There it goes. I think it'll be just long enough to reach, barely. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we got that one snapped on there. So that's the middle cylinder. Let's try it again. Nope. Well, that's good. So it must be a faulty injector. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the injector off, all of them, and then we're gonna, I've got like this injector tester thing, you know, cleaner. It's a China-made one, but it seems to work. Anyways, we're gonna check out this injector and see if we can come up with a fix on it. Huh. There it goes. I thought it would come apart like that. I'm like, anyways, took that apart for nothing. Oh. Right. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's the fuel injector rail. Yeah. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Probably I'm gonna loosen the fuel cap, letting pressure off of the vent at least, but yeah, that's definitely that's some kind of grease on there. Okay, so it's this one. This is the one giving me the trouble. maybe it had something in it. I need to mark that one. That's the bad one. Huh. How's that working now? Hold on a second. Thing's already broken. I'm gonna send the friggin' thing back. See how you do this. Probably low on fluid. Yeah, it's got the low on fluid warning. Need more fluid. There we go.
What kind of fluid is that?
This is just a fuel treatment fluid. So it's supposed to clean injectors and stuff. So really anything will work, like sea foam or, well, that's a fuel treatment. Cleans fuel system. Getting absolutely nothing out of that baby. Let me see if I can blow. Maybe it got a piece of, because the guy had removed the hose from the fuel. Here you go. Let's try one of those. Nothing still. So nothing's coming through that bit. That one's misting up real nice. This one ain't misting too good. Maybe it's just because it's a little foggy. Whatever that is, sucks. This one's misting better, but they're putting out the same amount of fluid, you can see. All right, I guess I gotta go upstairs for a second, see if I can come up with another injector. So we got a couple extra injectors from our other parts machine there. So we'll see what we can do with this one. Go ahead and change this one out. That's the bad one. Let's try that one. It's not working there. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Yeah, it's working now. Yeah, that's a good one. This one started a little bit later. Let's drain it real quick so we can measure the. Ooh, that one looking good there. Now look at that. Yeah, that was looking really good. Let's see if it'll drain now. Oh yeah, there's it's draining now. See it? Draining down. That thing was spraying really good there. Figures, right? The center cylinder is the one that blew on the machine, so I'm thinking, you know, that's going to be my trouble cylinder if I have a trouble cylinder. And of course, it's the mag end. Okay. I'd say they're pretty even. All right, let's go ahead and cut it and we'll put them back. Okay, we got it all hooked back up together. Now, let's give it a shot. See if we got juice now on all three. Whoa. Yep. Yes, we do. All right, great. Well, if this video has been helpful for you, please like and subscribe to 5-star PWC and give me a thumbs up. It's free, man. Thanks. Bye.